Hello guys, yeah, welcome to the another episode of me documenting my journey here on YouTube. My name is Bax FX and I've been trading for almost 4 years now, 3.5 years now. And then yeah, welcome to another episode of me documenting my trading journey here on YouTube. So yeah, basically today is Tuesday. I couldn't make a video yesterday, which was Monday, but I actually took a trade, right? So I'm gonna walk you guys through the trade here today. So today is Tuesday, 4th of August, 2026, right? So yeah, basically we took a couple of trades, and that being said, I'm gonna walk you guys through the trades I took today, the losses and the wins. Or the trade I took from yesterday to today, the losses and the wins, right? And I'll let you guys in on where the account is right now. All right. So do well to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see me grow, right? Or if you want to watch my progress, you know, do well to like and subscribe, right? With that being said, let's move on to the screen. So yeah, guys, welcome to my screen. So yeah, let's head over to the chart so I can show you guys, the trades I've taken so far, the progress on the account, and how it's looking. So yeah, basically there's one update I would like to show before we move forward. Now on Friday I got an email from GoFunded, right? It was an inactive rule warning, so I had to take a trade that Friday. Normally I said I was going to start trading from Monday, so that was how I was able to accumulate my first loss on the account. But it was just a little loss, right? So basically let's head on to the chart, so I'll show you guys. Yeah, so basically we took, I think, USD card. Yes, USD card. So yeah, as you can see, USD card did me dirty here. It actually wicked me out and then moved my direction. It actually wicked me out twice, right? So basically that's it. So yeah, so I'm going to show you guys I'm going to show you guys on the screen record on my phone how that happened, and how those trades, when I took the trades and the outcome of the trades, right? So yeah, and the second pair we actually traded, which was today, was GBP card. So GBP card, yeah, I actually had 2 entries on GBP card, this was my first entry initially. This is my first entry, and then this is my second entry. So the second entry actually hit TP for a 1 to 3 risk to reward, right? And then the second entry is currently floating a 1 to 4 right now, right? Initially I didn't reach much on this on the first entry. I think I actually reached probably $14, I guess. Why was that? Because I was still on that on the USD card trade when I actually saw the setup for me, so I had to split the risk. I told you guys there's on no account will I be risking 2% of my account. So even if I'm taking, normally I don't, my rule is not to take multiple trades at once, but I just I've been waiting for the setup since yesterday, since last week, and then when it actually happened, I had to just take the trade, right? So that's why I actually split the risks into 2. So yeah, that was basically it. So the first TP has been secured, which is the second position has been secured, TP, and then you only have one, which is the first initial position running now, which I'm looking to actually swing it to the top. But the way price is reacting now, I don't know. I'll just keep holding it anyway. I'll I'll just keep holding it. Right? I'm hoping for price to complete this weekly candle. Should just fill it up. That's what I'm looking for price to do. To fill this weekly candle up. Right? So with that being said,
so this is me on a Wednesday morning heading to the gym. You know, so as man define money, man got to stay fit. So at my arrival, here I go flexing my muscles. Although it's been a while I've actually worked out, so it's been probably like 5 months. You know, man has just been locked in.
alright guys, so this is trade update for today. So now basically, yeah, this is how we're looking at the accounts. I actually took another position today, but this time it was on GBP AUD, right? So yeah, this is how we are looking on the accounts. Okay, so yeah, we're also going to show you guys on the charts. Let's check out the GBP AUD trade. So you guys remember this GBP card from yesterday, the first position. So I'm still holding it. Like I said, like I explained previously, I'm actually looking for price to clear the previous week high, right? So with that being said, now let's see on the chart. This is GBP card trade from yesterday. Actually, I want 10 risk to reward. That was the first position, but I'm still holding. My stop loss is right around this level. I've actually secured, you know, a 1 to 4 on the accounts already on the trade. So my stop loss is right around here. So I'm risk free on this trade. So that's why I was able to take this, you know, Euro AUD trade. So as you can see, got the trade right from the bottom here, right, just early this morning. So yeah, today is Wednesday, by the way. Yesterday was Tuesday, so today is Wednesday, 5th of August, right? So I'm still looking to hold this GBP AUD too. That's upside potential. So yeah, so that's basically for the trade update for today. Alright guys, welcome to the video again. So now today is Saturday when I'm making this video, this current clip. So yeah, I wasn't at home for like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so that's why I wasn't able to record, but I actually did screen records of the trades at all. So basically, yeah, this trade was on Wednesday. You guys saw in the last clip I was on two trades, which was GBP card and GBP AUD. So yeah, the GBP AUD came back, hit us out on break even, and then the GBP card, we were holding the first position, yeah, and this was our stop loss right around this level. We actually stayed into profit. Price came back and took it out. So yeah, that's that for that. So today being Thursday, on Thursday I actually took two trades. One of them was a stop loss and one of them was a TP, which was this, right? I entered GBP card right around this level, and then it swept me out, and then started going in my direction, and then also came back down that day. So yeah. Also, that same day, which was Thursday, I also took this trade, which was on GBP AUD. I ended up closing this trade right around this level. 1 to 3 weeks to reward. So at the end of the day, yeah. So that's basically the trades. So on Friday, we had no trades on GBP AUD, but GBP card, we had this trade, which we took the trade right around this level, price went up. We want to two, and then came back and it was out on the stop loss. So yeah, two losses, one break even, right? So yeah, the one that fucked me was gold. So on Friday, I tried to sell gold. When I saw this level, I just wanted to go to, because my account was already on $150 profit. So I just wanted to go to do a 1 to 2. I'm actually going to pop up clips, so I just wanted to get a 1 to 2, just sell gold to this demand zone. I knew gold was going to buy, but at the end of the day, I just felt like gold was going to come down to the demand zone before it buys. This falls back to what I said before on my strategy on gold. I usually don't really like trading supply and demand on gold. Why? Because most of the times gold does not respect supply and demand. When it wants to move, it moves. It doesn't matter, whatever. It's not like it's not like currency pairs where price will trace to the demand zone or a supply zone before it starts moving. Gold, most of the time, it doesn't do that. So yeah, I'm gonna pop up the clips. So yeah, on Friday I actually broke my rules, and I feel like I was being indisciplined and emotions was trying to take over. Yeah, I was up $150, but I was up 200. At some point, I was up 5% on that account, and I was supposed to request a payout, but based on I'm gonna call it greed. I was greedy and impatient. No, not even impatient. I was greedy and indisciplined, right? So, but one thing I'm gonna give myself has been risk management, right? My risk management on this week has been really, really tight, right? I've actually lost more trades than I've win, but my losses are always small and my winners are always big, right? Despite the losses, I'm still, I think, like $30 something in profit, right? So at the end of the day, yeah, I feel like I'm gonna talk about psychology soon, right? After this clip, we're gonna talk about psychology. We're gonna sit down and talk about psychology because becoming a profitable trader, right? Psychology plays a big role. In fact, I feel like psychology is like 70%, and then you only need 30% technical. Because when you already know what you're doing in the market, when you're already profitable, your strategy is profitable, the other component that's left to make you a profitable trader is going to be your psychology, your emotions, your rules. That's why your rules are there. Your rules are there not to break them, so you keep to your rules. Your rules is there to guide you through the profit and the loss days. So I feel like I was being disciplined on Friday. I was so indisciplined, and I took more trades than I should, right? Which is bad. Which is what I'm going to work on next week. I'm only going to focus on high probability setups, right? So with that being said, yeah, we are going to talk about psychology right now, and yeah, basically that's it. So I encourage you guys to like and subscribe if you want to see my progress from this level to the next level, or you want to see my progress, right? Like, subscribe to the channel, also share so your friends can also see, right? My name is Bax, and I'm documenting my journey here on YouTube. So if you guys want to see me get my payout next week, because I'm definitely gonna get payout next week by God's grace. Yeah, so that's my plan next week, to get a payout, right? Look for a high probability setup, go in, get the bag, and get the payout, right? And I feel like the most important thing, right? The most important thing about trading, or the most important thing you need to know as a trader, is this: psychology is basically your emotions. And I want you to understand this. We are not trading against the market. We're not trading against, or we are not fighting against the market. The market is like a battlefield, right? We have two opponents, right? But you might think you are fighting against the market, or the market is your opponent. But I will tell you this for a fact: no, you are your opponent, right? You're fighting yourself. We are trading our emotions. if you're able to keep your emotions in check, you're able to control your emotions when you're winning and when you're losing, right? And you're able to stick to whatever is working, right? No questions. That's why it's called a system. Sticking to it is what makes it a system, right? Something you can replicate, repeat, and you're able to stick to it, right? So as long as you stick to your system, to your rules, because your rules are there to guide you, profitability is just, one step away. So basically, one thing I also noticed was greed. Now, I bought the account for $17. So it wouldn't have taken anything to when I was up $150, $250 on the account, which is about 5% of the account. I should have just closed the trades, right, and just request my payout. But the urge of wanting more, I want to get a big payout, I want to get a big payout. I ended up losing all the profit I made, right? Emotions kicked in, and I lost all the profits I made. Now, I'm holding myself responsible for that because that was so unprofessional, and I'll be working, towards that next week. Right. So yeah, this is real life. This is trading. It's the way it is. Anybody that tells you otherwise is always going to be wins, or it's always going to be, that's a big lie. Sometimes we are the ones that sabotage our trades. Most of the times we sabotage our accounts. We sabotage our progress so far, which is what I did last week, and I feel really stupid for that. So yeah, that would be basically it. But I'm gonna post this video today. I'm gonna edit and post this video today. So you guys are definitely gonna come across this videos whatever time you come across this video. So with that being said, my name is Bax and I've been trading for 3.5 years, almost 4 years. So I'm documenting my journey here on YouTube. So if you want to watch me, do that. And also I'm gonna start, giving out something very, very soon, which is knowledge, right? For free. You get what I'm saying? I'm going to start giving out knowledge for free. What I have learned what I've learned and what has helped me, my experience from 4 years till now, 4 years of trading till now, 3 years of trading till now. I'm also going to share with you guys. I'm also going to show you guys how I trade. So if you're interested in that, right? Like, subscribe to the channel. So anytime I drop a video, you guys can be updated. Alright, with that being said, I'm out. So do well to like, subscribe. Thanks, guys.